Good morning, everybody. This is Jessica Senesac here to talk to you about some things that I learned when I was interviewing some experts on speech language development and literacy. And if you want to read the full article, please click the link below. So the first thing that I want to talk to you about is that you don't need to necessarily worry. You might think that your child is lacking in some areas when it's perfectly normal and they're probably a little advanced in different areas. So when we think about our children, think about them as individuals and really connect to the fact that they are excelling in specific areas of their life. And what we can do is the things that they excel at, the things that they're interested in, use it to talk to them, to build their language. Use it to ask them questions, to have fun. Now, here are the tips and tricks specifically on language development that I learned from speech language pathologist Steve Brim. Number 1, read. 2, sing and do music time, play music all the time, and talk even when you're on the go. So you've heard me talk about all of these tips and tricks in the same categories before. However, here's some things that I haven't gotten a chance to mention. Grocery stores specifically are amazing because you have aisles and aisles and aisles of items, so you can talk about them. And the first step to talking to your child about items and building their vocabulary is just starting with, hey, this is what it is. These are apples. Apples, apples, apples. So give your child a chance to speak. So can you say apple? Pause and give them time to say it. Don't interrupt them. Give them an opportunity. Also, what you can do is you can hold up 2 things. What should we buy today? Do you want strawberries or do you want bananas? Let them point. Oh, you want the bananas? Good job. And if they also do a sound, you said banana. Even if they said ba or ba 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 or banana or whatever variation that they said, or strawberry, or whatever, you can tell that they are trying to say the actual words of the item that itself. Reward them and tell them what a great job they just did, because then they're going to want to try to learn more things and say more things. It's very encouraging when you do that. So you've got these 2 items, they point. Okay, now that they know what a banana is and a strawberry is, and they can point to them and they know it. This is a yellow banana. You want to feel it? This part is smooth and this bottom part, feel that. It's rough. That's rough. Smooth, rough. So you can introduce colors, textures, and different adjectives, descriptive words that describe the items that you're talking about. And it could be at the grocery store, it could be at Target, it could be at the park, it can be on a road trip. And there is a wonderful book that if you are interested, it's called Talking on the Go. If you read my article below, there is a link to how you can purchase that. There's also more details on language development and what I learned from the Steve Brim, the wonderful speech language pathologist, and you can get more information there. There is going to be other videos about my interviews and things that I've learned and picked up, such as when to worry and when you should start teaching your child to read, and different strategies once you do take those steps to teaching your child to read. And they will be things that I have not talked about in my previous videos on reading. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.